Tokyo, the city that never sleeps. But even here, there are quiet corners. Here, in Neko Alley, one small restaurant has stood for 50 years. And it has a very unusual owner.
Ohio, friends! I am Chef MEOW. Today I wanted to show you the perfect tonkotsu ramen. But fate had a different recipe in mind.
And then the door opened.
Irashime! Welcome! We're not open yet.
Chef MEOW-san, I have searched for you. 3 years, across 7 countries.
Who are you?
The Great Taco Battle.
Birthmate to know how to make Chef MEOW. I specialize in Japanese cuisine. What? What's happening?
Good luck, Chef MEOW-san. Remember, heart matters more than recipe.
I didn't even ASK where IT is!
Between worlds, there's just one step, or one flight.
I'm falling. Is that a taco? Wow! This is a real festival! So many people!
Look, a cat with a taco parachute.
We fell from the sky.
Bravissimo. Best entrance in championship history. This is my opponent. A little gatito in Japanese pajamas. Do you even know what a taco is?
It's a flatbread with...
Battle in 3 hours, running back to your Japan gatito.
No, I'm competing. Please teach me.
No!
I just need a recipe.
Go AWOL!
Against Ernesto, hopeless.
Why did I agree? I don't know how to make tacos. I'll embarrass myself in front of the whole world. Maybe the old man made a mistake. What's that? This smell.
This smell, it was different. Not like at the market. There was something real about it.
Permiso, señora.
Agatite the taco maunut. The whole town talks about you.
I was pulled through a portal. I agreed to battle without thinking. In 1 hour, I must compete against Ernesto, and I've never made tacos.
My recipes are not for competitions. Leave. Wait. Gatito. You have the eyes of my Pepe. He was ginger, like Kenny 20 years ago. Sit down. We don't have much time. First secret chili. Guajillo for sweetness. Ancho for depth. Chipotle for smoke. Remember this with heart, not head.
Don't rush. Fire is not enemy. Fire is friend. Let it do its work. Patience, gatito. Secret of my husband Miguel. Pineapple. Oni. Fire turns out to access the legendario I can tacos a store. This is incredible. Go, gatito, show them.
This is my husband Miguel's sombrero. He was champion in 1962. It will bring you luck.
Arigato. Gracias, Doña Lupe. I won't let you down.
This tastes it. Like my grandmother's.
Winner is
Friends, I learned one thing. It doesn't matter what you have. You have soul in your heart.